They said the Vice President committed plunder. No, alam naman natin may elements ang krimen na plunder. You are a public officer, amount is 50 million and above, and then lastly, and this is the most important part, there is amassing, acquiring, 'di ba, appropriating ill-gotten wealth. For example, ngayon, dun sa allegation, sabi nila, may confidential funds. That's elephant in the room, confidential funds, hindi ba? May confidential funds. Dinisburse ang confidential funds. Ngayon, paano natin nasabing napunta sa bulsa ng Vice Presidente yung ano?
And I've said this before, kung ang confidential funds ay hindi na-liquidate ng tama, ang commission proper ay maghuhusga na ito ay i-refund. Pero dito sa case ni VP Sara Duterte, sinabi ng COA na may unqualified sila na report at ito ay na-liquidate na ng tama. Hindi ibig sabihin na kung hindi mo na-liquidate